How to create group chat in Facebook. Now let's say you want to create a group chat consisting of 3 or more people on our Facebook account. Now in order for us to create a group chat on our Facebook account, all we have to do is to tap on this messenger icon right here beside the search icon. And once we tap on that, we will automatically be redirected to our Facebook Messenger. Now in order for us to create a group chat on our Facebook account, all we have to do is to tap on this pencil button right here, our pencil icon, and tap on this option that says group chat. Now we can pretty much add other people to our group chat that we are creating. Let's say right here, and then tap on create right here in order for us to create a group chat. So we just have to tap on that. Now I have created a group chat. So that's how to create group chat in Facebook. Hope we helped.